We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9970 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So we noticed that when we were making copies and scans that we were getting smudges and lines and just little defects on our copies or our scans. So that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So to clean it, first we want to look at, there's two separate pieces of glass underneath the scanner. There's the large flatbed scanner for doing your face down scans, and then there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That small strip of glass is actually used for whenever you're making copies or scans using the top document feeder. So if you're feeding paper through the top, making copies or scans, and that's when you're noticing most of your blemishes, then that's going to indicate that you want to focus on this little strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And in order to clean it, you're going to use your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you do that, you run a high possibility of the glass cleaner seeping underneath the glass. And if you do that, you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and not to the glass. Once you have the cleaner on your cloth, we're just going to go ahead and clean the glass, making sure that if there's any smudges, fingerprints, ink buildup, whiteout, I've seen tape, just anything like that, you want to make sure you get it all off, because all of those are going to cause little print or copy scan defects. So I'm going to wipe down the flatbed scanner while we're here. Once you've wiped everything down, you just want to give it a good visual inspection, making sure you don't see anything left on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and close the scanner. And I would actually recommend doing a couple extra test copies or test scans. And I would actually try both scanners. So I'd use your document feeder and the flatbed scanner, just to make sure that there's no defects from either one of them, so you don't have to worry about it in the future. But if you're happy with the way your test came out and everything's good, then you're good to go. If you're still getting light smudges or light little defects, and there's probably just a little bit of something that's hard to see on the glass, just repeat that process one more time and that should take care of it. Otherwise, you should be good to go and be back up and running. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.